Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's me, Amanda. For those of you who are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button now so that you don't miss out on all of my new upcoming videos. So you can tell by the description what this video is about. I've actually been trying to tape this for 3 days, so I do apologize for my delay. This week we are talking about February's Boxy Charm box. And this month's theme is Afterglow, so it comes with 5 full-size products, or all usually full-size. So I'm going to show you what I have here. The first thing I'm going to start with is the Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So this is a new cleanser that I actually just used it today. So sorry. Going forward, all of my videos, I will be trying to do the unboxing, which I tried to do this week, which didn't actually record. So bear with me. So back to the video. Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So I tried it once. So far so good. I will keep you guys updated on how much I like this. All these items, I will be putting them to the test. Next up for Boxy Charm is the Trestique Lip Primer and Glaze Lip Crayon. So it actually comes with 2 pieces. So on the end it has just a little lip primer for you. And then this end, it's really neat. I haven't had a lip gloss like this before, so I'm just going to swatch on my hand for you. It's very, very pigmented, and it sits really nicely on the skin. I really like it. I did wear it yesterday. It's not what I'm wearing on my lips today. Also, because you're new here, you probably don't, if you're new here, you probably don't know the drill. I always list makeup worn in my videos, so if you're interested in any of that, just make sure you check out my description box below. Next item is the No PoreBlem Primer, Smooth and Pore Perfect Covering, Top Secret for Perfect Makeup. So this is Touch and Soul. I am wearing this today. I do like it. I'm putting it to the test because I do have some other poreless primers that I want to try. So just going forward, you'll hear a little bit more about this. Next up is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I'm not wearing this on my eyes today, but I will be putting this to the test. I had one before that was just a trial size, but unfortunately I didn't get to it in time. So this is in my drawer of things to use. You'll have an upcoming video what my thoughts are on this product. Actually, you'll probably see a lot of these things come up in the future videos, so let me know what you think. And last but not least, we also have the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. And it is just a nice highlight. I'm not wearing it today. It's just very subtle. I have tried it once. I did like it. So going forward, all these items you'll see in future videos. Give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. If there's any future videos you want to see, just make sure you leave a comment below. And thank you for hanging out with me today, guys. Bye. See you soon.